SEI Crypto, or SWI, just recently launched a layer 1 blockchain right here, and people aren't happy, guys. People aren't happy. So it was a bit of a disaster. However, I still see potential in this particular ecosystem and project. So it did just hit Binance. It's hit a few different markets as well, but we can see most of the volume is coming through the Binance space. Thanks for checking out this video, by the way. I hope you guys are doing well. SEI currently has a $332 million market capitalization. This is the website enabling mass adoption of digital assets, and was doing a little bit of research on the coin, and it was trending on Twitter just recently, and there was some kind of airdrop where the airdrop quantity or figure of tokens that people was receiving, it just wasn't like the correct or expected amount. So when we're just looking at SEI's scam here on the top, we can see a lot of people are a bit annoyed. A little bit annoyed about the people that took part in this. They're all saying it was a scam because they didn't get the life-changing air reward. So something like that about the airdrop not being what they expected. Not really sure how it does qualify it as a scam, but you can see people are not happy. People are really annoyed about this. So that's the overall sentiment right now for this particular cryptocurrency. People are not happy. It did list on Binance. We can see there's a bit of price action already. It's holding around the 18 cents level, as we can see right here. And to be fair, I do think it does have some long-term value. 500 ms transaction finality, 20k orders per second. And when we scroll down a little bit, we can actually see this particular blockchain compared to others. I don't want to say it is better than others, but we have the data right here in front of us. So it's another blockchain where you can potentially start building. But yeah, it's not yet had a chance to thrive in a bull run, in a peak euphoric sort of greedy bull rally where we see blow off tops and, you know, all that kind of fun stuff. So we've not seen that yet. If you're new to the channel, by the way, guys, make sure you get yourself into the Discord, the Jacob Crypto Clan, where we're just talking about loads of stuff. We've got juicy trading signals, all the things that you like in the crypto space. And yeah, let's have a look at some other stuff that's happening in the market. So Europe's first spot BTF ETF. Europe's first spot Bitcoin ETF list in Amsterdam. Let's start that again. Jacobi first won approval for the fund in October 2021 with plans to list it in 2022. However, the firm opted to push back its plans due to inopportune circumstances elsewhere in the digital asset market. In contrast to this, we have conflicting news right here just recently. As we can see, posted just 2 days ago, the SEC delays decision on Grayscale's GBTC to ETF conversion after ARK Invest remission. So that's of course not another good thing. Slightly bearish, but on the bearish note, the whole entire markets are falling to pieces. People are out on holiday. People aren't moving money into crypto right now. However, August is a notoriously bad month for cryptocurrency, and I think we can see that just by looking at crypto bubbles on the month, on the week, and on the day. Well, it's just a bloodbath, really. More recent times, I have invested in this pre-sale known as the Sonic the Hedgehog coin. I put $1,000 in it. I've got a link down below. It's not financial advice, but I wanted to update you guys because I put $1,000 worth in. I've been staking it. So I got 70 million tokens staked. I currently have 2.551% of the overall staking pool, but I have also got 19 million tokens as reward. So yeah, looking like I got about 20% of my tokens back for free, which is pretty cool. I was hoping to actually get this figure to 70 million, but I don't think it will happen now, unfortunately. Patrons are updated with all this kind of stuff as well. So if you do want to consider becoming a patron, the link is down below so you can sign up and, of course, have access to all of these lovely privileges in the Discord, and yeah, just stay in the loop with all things in the know for cryptocurrency. We've also got BLX chart, just really looking at Bitcoin and the overall crypto space. As we can see, it looks like the next phase, maybe a corrective phase here. Before we had a falling wedge and we got a massive pump to the upside. Could this be another corrective phase before getting another absolute blast off here? Because technically that looks like a falling wedge. Although some may think, well, actually this is a slanted double no, a head and shoulders, a bearish head and shoulders right there, an inverse head and shoulders, where effectively you would have a support level along this trend line here, waiting to just break down to like 21k. So there's a few scenarios that we're looking at. Yes, you have that sort of slanted head and shoulders formation, which for me looks very clear. However, we do still have the bullish reversal pattern known as a falling wedge right here playing out for Bitcoin, where we could potentially see the $30,000 level once again. S&P 500 also has taken a hit over the last few weeks. We can see S&P 500, we did get that breakout. We didn't quite get back to 479 valuation, but unfortunately we have seen the S&P value here tumble, which isn't really an amazing thing. We might not see blockchain, you know, of course, correlate with this so tightly, but we don't want to see this crash too much, in my honest opinion. What can we look at before we do leave? I suppose we quickly jump into the DXY just to get a bit of a macro update here. What's happening for the DXY? We want to see this drop, and ideally the trajectory is to come back down to the 89 valuation for the DXY. That would be really good for Bitcoin. I think we will see continuation to the downside now, and I personally do think we will get rejected at this resistance of 103 and perhaps come back down towards the 89 level, but that will probably take a year or so just to get down there. The last time we were there was 2021 and 2018, where we had a lot of bullish momentum in the crypto market. So that's about a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think of the SEI network? Were you disappointed? Did you get into it? Did you buy on launch? What's your SEI or SWE story? I'd love to hear from you guys. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel so you can understand what coins to look at next whilst people are out on holiday and whilst we're in this dead month of cryptocurrency. See you all soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and bye for now.